Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete posts in Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead, open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom right corner, you're gonna see Me option. Tap on it, then scroll down and find My Post option. Tap on it, then look for the post that you want to delete. Tap on it, then on the bottom right corner you're gonna see a 3-dot menu. Tap on it, then select delete. Now go ahead and tap on OK to delete your post. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete a post in Bigo Live. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.